Alright, we just want to make a quick tech tip video on adjusting the tension of the quick detach lever on these Picatinny optic mounts that companies like American Defense and some other companies make. So right now, essentially, for example, the quick detach lever is a little bit too loose. There's not quite enough tension when going to tighten that. I can feel a little bit of play between the mount and the rail. So in order to tighten that up, when you take off the optic, you're going to basically push the lever from the back side here to make this octagonal nut protrude, and when you go to tighten it, you're going to go righty-tighty, and then you just make sure the flat of that octagon is aligned with the top flat of the octagonal cutout that it sets into. And now when I go to mount this on, it will have the right amount of resistance and tension there, and it'll click nicely into place. No more play. One issue that we sometimes see people running into is they won't always get that nut perfectly aligned. So for example, if I set the corner of the octagon to the vertical position so that it's not aligned with its cutout, and then I go to tighten it onto the mount, what can happen, especially if you force it, is that nut now is kind of jammed into its cutout and doesn't want to move. In order to basically break that nut loose, sometimes you have to actually take some kind of soft mallet and hit it from this side here, and that'll basically push this nut, further forward out, so you can actually make the adjustment you need to get it to be flat and aligned there. And so if you ever have the issue of your quick detach mount getting stuck like that, that's usually the fix for that. Thanks.